Let's put our makeup on. Step number 1 is contour. You can use your fingers, you can use a brush. There is a really great brush called the detail brush that is perfect for this contour step. Today I'm going to use the smudge brush because I'm going to be doing the cheetah hat. I'm going to put this in a rainbow shape on my forehead. Next I'm going to do 2 lines down my nose. Next, I'm going to put contour on my cheekbones. A little hack is find the top of your ear and then go down. You can also throw a little bit of contour under your lip to make it look more full. Then we're going to do contour on our jawline. Step number 2 is our brightening highlight. Lightly dab into your brightening highlight, aka concealer. Inner corner and out, and the inner corner and out. Third step is our main highlight, aka your foundation. Put this wherever there aren't any dots. We are going to blend lightest to darkest. If you've got texture, fine lines and wrinkles, you want to tap over those areas, especially the textured parts. So once you've got all of that blended out, I like to now go in with my lip and cheek. And I'm just tapping it on top of my cheekbone, and you're going to blend this down into your contour. Next, I'm going to put on my lip color. I'm going to do a little mixture of 2 colors, a little black cherry and ruby.
Thanks for watching. Hit that follow button for more tips and tricks.